Scott Himelstein with the Scott Himelstein Group. Welcome to today's edition of the video blog. Today we're going to talk about why it might be a really good time now to remodel your house or to upgrade the major systems. Alright, hey, Scott Himelstein again, and again, thank you for watching our video blog. So today we're talking about why it's a really good time right now to remodel your home or your major systems in your actual property. But before we talk about that, reminder, if you're a home seller, check out our free home value report. And if you're a buyer, check out our free MLS property search for properties all over Southern California. All right, so again today we're talking about why it's a really good time to remodel your home right now. Well, one of the biggest reasons right now it's a good time is because prices are about ready to go up. And there's a few different reasons that's actually taking place. Now, it's already gone up probably about 25–30% in the last 2 years. And some of the reasons include, and actually the biggest reason is really the fact of natural disasters. So you have the hurricanes the last few years around the country, and then you have the wildfires here locally in California. So there's just not enough supplies and materials to go around for people who want to remodel their home, as there is like people that are actually rebuilding and reconstructing their houses as well. Number two is the recent tariffs. So because of the recent tariffs, you're expecting a lot of your materials to go up another additional 25–30% from what they are already right now. And this includes a lot of products from China. So if you're thinking about redoing your kitchen, which involves, granite or quartz, it's a very good possibility that it's coming from one of those countries that has tariffs on it. And so get ready for another jump in pricing. And that also includes flooring. But it's not just limited to the supplies and materials inside your house. It also goes for roofing and your AC unit and your HVAC system and electrical. So everything is being affected right now by those items. So just to give you an idea, let's just say you wanted to remodel and do a simple remodel of maybe a 1,800 square foot house. Maybe 2 years ago it probably maybe cost about $25,000 to $30,000, and to do a complete remodel, now you're going to be looking at somewhere between $45,000 to $50,000 to do your remodel. So this is a really good time if you're a homeowner or possibly looking to put the house on the market. If you're going to be doing anything, this is a really good opportunity that you may want to look into actually doing that work now, as opposed to the next year or two when we're expecting prices to go up another 25 to 35, maybe impossible 40%, depending on what you're actually purchasing. Third and finally, the labor cost has also skyrocketed significantly over the course of the last few years. So after the recession, it was really easy to find cheap laborers to remodel your house, especially 2008 to 2011. Well, now since there's a shortage of tradespeople, being able to actually do all these jobs, the cost of labor and being able to remodel has gone up a lot as well. So that's another thing besides materials you need to factor into your cost of being able to do a remodel. So again, if you have any questions about the real estate market, give us a call at the Scott Himelstein Group, 818-396-3311, 818-396-3311. And thanks again for watching our video blog.